Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best garage air compressors for car tires that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the AstroAI Tire Inflator, our budget-friendly pick. At $53.99, it delivers impressive functionality for its price point. This compact compressor features dual power compatibility, allowing it to run on either 12 volts DC car outlets or 120 volts AC household plugs, which makes it ideal for both home and on-the-go use. It's equipped with dual metal motors that enable fast inflation, pumping a flat tire from 0 to 36 psi in just 6 minutes. Its LED light and intuitive screen with preset memory make nighttime and repeated use a breeze. Design-wise, the AstroAI stands out for its lightweight build and thoughtful storage features, such as a compartment for the air hose and power cords. It's perfect for inflating car, bicycle, and motorcycle tires, as well as larger items like air mattresses. However, it's not suitable for heavy-duty vehicles, and its continuous runtime is capped at 15 minutes before requiring a cool-down period. The AstroAI is a solid choice for anyone seeking affordability without sacrificing basic functionality. Pros include its dual power options, compact design, and user-friendly features like auto shutoff and memory function. On the downside, it's less durable for heavy-duty applications and has a relatively short runtime. Overall, it's a great entry-level compressor for light to medium inflation tasks. At number 3, we have the EtonWolf Vortex S6 Tire Inflator, a powerhouse designed for heavy-duty use. This cordless air compressor boasts a built-in 19,200 mAh lithium battery, allowing you to inflate up to 18 large truck tires on a single charge. With its dual-cylinder design and 100% duty cycle, it can handle continuous inflation without overheating. Its 160 psi maximum operating pressure and ultra-fast inflation rate of 1.5 CFM make it perfect for vehicles like pickups, off-roaders, and even larger trucks. The design is robust and practical, featuring a vivid orange finish for visibility and a compact form factor for portability. The intuitive controls include 7 preset modes and automatic shutoff functionality for hassle-free operation. Additionally, the LED light doubles as a camping lantern, adding versatility for outdoor use. While it excels in performance, the EtonWolf's $99.99 price tag makes it a mid-range option that balances affordability and capability. The EtonWolf Vortex S6 is ideal for users who need a reliable, heavy-duty compressor for demanding tasks. Its pros include cordless operation, fast inflation, and durability, while cons are its bulkier design and slightly higher noise level compared to smaller models. It's a fantastic choice for serious users who prioritize performance. Coming in at number 2 is the DeWalt Tire Inflator, a versatile and portable air compressor that combines convenience and reliability. With 3 power source options, 20-volt max battery, 12-volt DC, and 110-volt AC, it's a perfect choice for users who need flexibility both at home and on the road. Its high-pressure inflation mode and automatic shutoff make tire inflation effortless, while its high-volume modes handle larger inflatables like pool floats and mattresses. Adding to its utility, the built-in LED light ensures visibility during nighttime use. DeWalt is known for its robust build quality, and this inflator lives up to the reputation. Its threaded chuck ensures a secure connection to inflation valves, and the heavy-duty rubber feet minimize vibration during operation. The compact design and onboard accessory storage make it easy to transport and use. However, at 92 decibels, it's one of the louder options on this list, which might be a drawback for noise-sensitive users. Priced at $114.44, the DeWalt Tire Inflator offers a great balance of performance and portability. Its pros include multiple power options, automatic shutoff, and durable construction, while its cons are noise levels and the fact that the battery isn't included. Overall, it's a top-notch choice for users who value flexibility and quality. Taking the top spot is the Craftsman Air Compressor, a premium option that offers unmatched performance and durability. With a 6-gallon tank, this pancake-style compressor is perfect for garage use, providing ample stored air for extended tasks. Its oil-free pump requires no maintenance, ensuring a long lifespan and hassle-free operation. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi and a recovery rate of 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, it's capable of handling a wide range of applications, including tire inflation, drilling, airbrushing, and nailing. The design is both portable and sturdy, weighing in at 32.5 pounds. The included 13-piece accessory kit makes it a complete solution for your garage needs, and its noise level of 78.5 dB is quieter than many competing models, making it more pleasant to use. Proudly made in the USA with global materials. The Craftsman compressor is a testament to quality engineering. While it's the most expensive option on this list at $179, the Craftsman Air Compressor delivers exceptional value for users who need versatility and reliability. Pros include its high performance, durable build, and included accessories, while cons are its relatively higher price and larger footprint. It's the ultimate choice for serious DIYers and professionals alike. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.